Nando Babo Cabalen, welcome to Aaron Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng bagong tambayan at the same time bagong coffee place dito sa may Bacolor, Pampanga. And this place is for you.
Guys, you're gonna love this. If you wanna know more about dito sa Cafe Cuadro, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, okay. So ayun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang VIP room and you can actually occupy this one for as low as 2,500 pesos consumable for 3 hours na yan. Ayan, so on our table, ito nga. This is our table. Ayan, so meron tayong mga pasta, salads, we also have burgers, lasagna, and of course mga drinks natin, natikman natin sila kanina.
Siyempre yung kanilang mga desserts.
Yes, so must try sa kanila, different kind of bibingka.
Fusion bibingka.
Fusion bibingka, they call it.
Fusion kasaba.
Fusion kasaba. So, siguro, we're not gonna, we're not gonna spill the beans, sabi nga nila. So, you gotta go here and try them para po matikman nyo na kakaiba sila.
Actually,
not the usual bibingka.
Talagang kakaiba kasi talagang sinasabi nga it's a fusion of bibingka, yung mga traditional, and new thing na dapat mong matikman.
Try them guys.
Meron siyang queso. Meron siyang queso, meron siyang watermelon, yung balsamic vinegar. And syempre, yung main natin, yung lettuce and veggies.
Beef burger. Kakaiba dito guys, yung buns niya. Hindi yung regular bun. Actually, medyo ano siya, comparable siya sa mga sikat na mga burger joints or burger fast food. Very comparable yung beef niya. Napakasarap.
Actually, mga plates nila dito bro, kakaiba.
Actually, yung mga plates nila is mga pala. So, pala yung mga plates nila rin. Pero ito, speaking of yung mga nasa plate, this is their chicken burger. Pero ang pinagkaiba niya sa mga regular burger is yung kanilang bread is made out of waffle. Napaka-loaded.
Yeah. So, mga personnel natin sa kitchen trained ni Chef Ruben, no? So, it's a renowned celebrity chef and siya po yung nag-train sa mga cooks and kitchen personnel natin dito. Alright, so this is their lasagna. Pizza. Sarap. Sarap.
Another one is ano lang, cheese.
So this one is composed of 4 different kinds of cheese. Look at this. Actually, ganito yung mga gusto kong pizza. Hindi yung thin crust na medyo, sa akin medyo fluffy. Mas gusto ko
yung pati bread makakain.
Yes, sir. And this is it.
Add the pasta.
Wow. So for cheese lovers, medyo talagang magugustuhan nila to, no?
Yeah guys, another place for you to check out dito po sa Bacolor, Pampanga. Actually, kahit na Bacolor, Pampanga siya, napakalapit lamang niya sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes, actually, ang pinaka-landmark dito, tapat lang siya nung dating Don Bosco Academy. So this is just along Bacolor, San Fernando Road. And they're open from 7 a.m. to 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday.
Grabe, that's a very long operational hour. So, whatever time na available po kayo makapunta dito, go check them out dito po sa Bacolor, Pampanga.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and tag mo na yung best friend mong mahilig magkape.
There guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Till our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys.